Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be making a reproduction of Rambo's Bowie. Enjoy and please leave a thumbs up if you like the video. I'm getting the steel for the blade from an I-beam as usual, and I'm cutting it to roughly match the shape of the Bowie. Then I can print the pattern and finish shaping it on the belt grinder. Now to cut the stripe on the spine, I'm drilling 2 holes and cut them in between. I've also put a piece of iron as a guide. Now I need to see clearly the height and the thickness of the bevels. I'm using an iron bar to go straight while grinding the bevels, and I'm trying by hand to make the curved bevel. I've ground most of the steel off the top bevel with the belt grinder, and then I kept going with the file to get more precision. I'm not sure if you can tell from the video, the straight bevel and the curved bevel don't blend in together as good as I was hoping for. I'm using a metal saw to get a good alignment for the guard. I was quite disappointed for the bevel, so I made this temporary jig, and after some practice I got a much better result. I'm turning on my propane forge to do a heat treatment cycle. Quenching in oil, normalizing in ashes, and tempering for 2 hours at 230 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, I'm making the guard and the butt out of some scrap steel. Back to the blade, that's what it looks like after the heat treatment. I'm grinding it again quickly and getting it ready for the buffing wheel. I'm gonna draw the tang of the blade inside 2 stripes of oak. I'm also using a Dremel to get a more precise cut along the sides of the tang. I'm making some room for a nut that's going to be added in a while. Using some epoxy glue to get everything together. A quick sanding session and then applying some walnut paint. And this is how it looks. A last sharpening session and then we can test it out. Thanks for watching, consider subscribing if you liked the video, and I'll see you soon in the next one.